Hello, and welcome to our Skills Engine tutorial on downloading feedback data. In this video, I will show you how to download the feedback collected during a feedback session for your profiles. First, open the profile for which you have conducted a feedback session. Click on the Feedback tab at the top of the profile page. If you have an active feedback session, you can download the data out at any point using the Download button. When you are ready to finish the feedback session, click the End Session button and confirm by clicking Download and End. Once you've done that, the feedback data will be automatically downloaded to your device. If you've previously ended the feedback session and want to pull the data again, simply select the session you want the data for and click the Download button. Locate the downloaded files on your device. They will typically be in your default download folder. Open the files to view the detailed feedback results. One file includes information on the reviewers, including any comments they may have left on the profile. The other contains all of the skill ratings, along with a variance score for each skill. Use the feedback data to analyze the strengths and areas for improvement within your profile. Look for any skills with high variance in ratings to identify potential discrepancies or differing opinions among reviewers. That's it. You have successfully downloaded and opened the feedback data for your profile. This information is invaluable in making informed decisions and improvements on your profile. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you for watching.